Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Peace, Love, and Kale Greens. My name is Shin Ray Lockley, aka Nakia Ray, and today I'm going to be talking about that length retention. And if you want to know the 5 major ways of how I retain my length, continue watching.
Waiting on the opportunity and opportunist. Waiting on the opportunity and opportunist. Last of the real, blue hunters for the field.
Okay, so we're going to start with number 5, minimal products. That's right. I barely be using anything. In this wash and go I have right now, I did a co-wash, put in some Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I put some coconut oil in it. That's all I did. I started off with my journey buying tons of products, because I'm like, I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to do with it. Now, I had cut my hair before I had actually started out natural, so I had a very short, remember that Rihanna cut? I had no hair. None at all. So I didn't really transition. I just would let it grow big, get a little relaxer. And I would only put the relaxer in for a little bit to loosen up the curls a bit because of the short hairstyle. And when I decided to grow my hair back, I was like, oh, I have no reason to put a relaxer in because it straightens fine. That's when I decided to grow my hair out naturally. Now that was like 7 years ago now. Started off with nothing. Now I got all of this hair, really just minimal products is what I learned throughout that journey. I spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars on hair products. And one day, like maybe a couple years ago, I don't know if it was like 3-4 years ago, I was just like, I'm tired of buying all these products. Gotta be an easier way with the F. And so I was like, you know what? I was like, I'm just going to use my Giovanni leave-in conditioner, which I cannot find now at the Whole Foods down here where I'm at. Oh, and some coconut oil, and sometimes I would use olive oil, and that's it. And that's what I've really been using for my wash and goes. That's what I've been using for my twist out. If you've seen in my last video, I use minimal product. At one point, I was that eco styling gel, and I mean, I don't really use it. There is a tub that I have of it that I don't even have. It's not even mine. It's my cousin's, which is my roommate, and she doesn't really use it. It's only for like occasions, like so when I really want to wear my top knot bun and like I want it slicked and I want to do my little baby hairs and stuff. That's the only time I would use eco styling gel at this moment because I cannot. It really started, I felt it was breaking off the edges of my hair. I felt like it wasn't growing around the edges like it should have been, and I really contributed to using gel. I don't think that gel, from what I recall, has alcohol in it, but alcohol is definitely drying and it definitely breaks off hair. But I feel like gel is just hard and stiff, and after a while, just on your hair, it just makes it all just brittle. And I was like, I'm done using this. So number 5, minimum products. Number 4, protective style. Protective styles are so important, especially depending on where you live at, the seasons, man. And sometimes you get tired of your hair, you start acting a fool, not taking care of it good. And if you put it in a protective style, you won't do anything to it. So protective style, every summer for the past, probably since I've been growing my hair natural, I have been doing a protective style. I usually do box braids, Senegalese twists. This year I did the Bohemian dreads. Will not be doing it again. Whew. That was a process. My hair was too long to be wrapping that up. I can't believe I did that. Lord. And then I would do the crochet ones where I would like do individual braids with my hair, crochet some of the fake dreads in and twist them back in. But my hair got too long for that style because I couldn't have my hair in the fake dreads anymore. So that is what I do every summer. every summer, but maybe yours would be every winter. Everybody's different, depends on you. In the summertime, I hate wearing my hair out natural. My hair look crazy big. Like if you think it looks sort of big right now, which is right now it's a little damp, so it's definitely going to get bigger probably throughout this video. But whoo, whoo, it's a no-go in the summertime. I don't like it out. No. Now, no. And I also do all of the braiding styles, box braids, and Italy's twist, all of them by myself. I do not have a hairstylist. My background's in hair. I love to braid, but these hands, I did a lot to them. And oh man, y'all missed out on the best braider cosmetologist. Ooh man, if I'd have made it on a map, ooh, Number 3, moisture. Keep moisture in your hair. I don't need it. I have the easiest way that I keep moisture in my hair. I take a water bottle and I spray my hair. That's right. So one of my go-to styles that I would wear is just like a little bun on top of my head. No gel. I would just maybe put a scarf around it and lay down pretty decently. If I would wear that on a regular, I'm spraying my hair with water. You don't have to spray it with tons where it's all damp and stuff, but just spray it with water where you touch it and it feels like, yeah, like the thirst is coming in, and if it dry up, it definitely is nice and soft. So that's definitely one thing I do is keep the moisture in my hair. Some people keep moisture in their hair by every night. They might spray it lightly with water, put a little bit of oil in it to seal it, and twist it down. Everybody's different. I was too lazy for that. I tried that. I was too lazy. My nighttime routine, like you would think like, oh, she got a nighttime. I don't have a nighttime routine. I go to sleep looking crazy and I wake up looking crazy. Like my hair be looking all crazy. I don't have no silk pillow. If I do some type of twist out or something like that, I do like to keep it nice. Or if I have my protective style, I do wear my scarves, my silk scarves and all that. But if it's just like this, so tonight I will probably put it in a little bun, look a little crazy, go to sleep and wake up. But I will, when I wake up, spray my hair with some water to make sure it is moisturized, because sometimes it can get so dry and brittle, so dry if I don't put no water in it. So I definitely do that. Water, seal it up with a little oil. Sometimes I feel like it needs a little bit more leave-in. I'll spray a little bit of water, put some leave-in in, and depending on what I'm going to do. Lately, my go-to thing has been wearing scarves. So I've just been wearing a scarf and putting a little knot at the top of my head. That has been my go-to thing lately. Number 2, no heat or minimum heat, rarely heat, however you want to put it. No, heat is not your friend sometimes. And I know some people are like, "What? You can do it good. You can keep it healthy if you do it good and do it protective." Oh, you can, but I can tell you right now, most of y'all ain't professionally trained, and that's why your hair be breaking off. And I'm only saying this because I got a background in hair. Man, when I was actively doing hair, people, I swear I didn't touch my hair. I didn't do nothing. Then why is it breaking off on this side? Okay, I might have took the flat iron and I might have just did that, but I only did it one time. Meanwhile, I told them not to touch it because, hey, I definitely got them growing hands. As you can tell on my own self, I got them growing hands. I know. Listen to what I say. Listen to what I say. Oh my gosh. So no heat. I straighten my hair twice a year. And that is just to clip the ends, and that's it. So I will go and I'll blow it out. I'll straighten it. It stays straight for like 2-3 weeks for a while. And that's when I'll clip my ends. I am going to be doing a video on that soon, so keep a lookout. And that's the only time I put heat on my hair. I don't diffuse my hair. I let it air dry. So no diffuser, no, oh, I got it on the air on cool, like leave it alone. Which comes to the number 1 of how I retain length. Leave it alone. There's like had to be a running theme on that from 5, 4, 3, 2, and hair to 1. I leave my hair alone. That's it. I don't do nothing crazy to it. I don't do any crazy styles to it. I know some people are like, well, I put it in my, with the sew-ins. Okay, everybody's different with the protective styles, but some people don't get good hairstylists, and I wish they did, because some people put braids in too tight. I'm one of those people, when I do my braids, I do not touch them edges. And at one point I used to put gel on the edges. I don't even do that no more. If you see me in the summertime, you won't see me slick down with the baby hairs or anything. I let them things fly free and I don't care. I leave my hair alone. That's it. I don't do too many, like flexi rods or anything. Oh man, you coming in messing up my video. I'm almost done. You're messing up my video. I'm on number 1.
Oh no.
I am on number 1. You're messing it up.
Should have put a filming sign on here.
I should have put a filming sign. Dude, now she messed it up. Number 1. I told y'all before, don't touch your hair. Leave it alone. Wash it once in a while. All right, this is Peace, Love, and Kel Greens. Bye. See, you messed up the lighting. That ain't how I had the lighting. That ain't the ambiance. That ain't the ambiance I had. Now I look different. Now I don't even. Thank you so much for watching Peace, Love, and Kel Greens. My cousin did coming in at the end, and I was not recording that again. And sorry about the lighting. It got dark, but I will be coming with more videos. Bye.